In this video we will see all the methods, how you can use all the queue methods. Okay, so here I declared a queue, and this is what a variable I have declared, a variable with the name of data and the type is int. Then what we are doing here, we are adding element into the queue using pushback method. So here we are using pushback. In the previous video I explained you, right? Pushback, push front, pop back, pop front, everything. So here I am adding the element using pushback method. So 3 element I added, then I am printing the queue, and then what I am doing, adding one element from the front side. So push front I am using, the method which I am using is push front. Then again I am printing, here I am printing the queue. Then what I am doing, inserting element at which index, index 2. And what is the element value, that is 15. So 15 I am inserting in at index 2. Then I am checking the size. So see, when I am inserting the element, size should increase. When I am deleting one element from particular index, then size should decrease by 1. Then what I am doing here, removing from front. So removing means taking, we are getting. So we are getting element from the front side. So in that case what we have to use, we have to use pop front method. Then what we are doing here, remove from the backside. So for removing backside means getting the element from the backside, what method we have to use, we have to use pop back. Then again we are printing the element. Then again what we are doing, deleting from where, particular index. Then we are printing the deleted element. After deleting we are printing the queue. Then again what we are doing, final size we are printing. So the result will be whatever it will come. Just what you have to do is you have to comment. See, what you have to do is you just need to type this code, full code, okay, and you have to run this full code. After typing into the GVIM, you have to run into the QuestaSim tool. So you should invoke the QuestaSim tool, and I told you how to run. You have to run, and whatever the result you will get, just that result paste in the comment section, so that I will check are you getting the result or not. Okay, so how you can this is just a summary how you can remember all those things. So this is just a summary part. We have two type of queue, bounded and unbounded. No minimum size is there, no maximum size is there. Here maximum size is 4 because total 0 to 3. So total element, how many element will be there, 4. So the queue operation is there. Okay, so these things is just a summary. Okay, so push back, push front, pop back, pop front method is there. Then you have insert method, delete method. Okay, then we have application. So what is the application of this queue is, queue is extremely useful for the scoreboard and reference model development. When we will be developing a scoreboard, that time you will get to know the actual use of queue. So for now just skip this part, we don't need to see this part at all. Okay, so for I hope you guys are doing the homework well, because I can't teach you everything. I can't tell you everything in just 10 minutes, 15 minutes video. It is not possible for me. So what I am doing here, you know, right, I am already I typed the code and I am explaining here. So I am expecting from your side, you are doing the code and running the code and checking the outputs and everything you are doing from your end. If you are not doing means you will not learn. When you will see, when I am explaining, when you see the video, that time you will get, but after sometimes you will forget. So make sure you are doing coding, otherwise watching video is useless. Okay guys, so we will meet in another video. Okay guys, bye.